Okay, this is my new ARB twin air compressor I installed a while back. You can see the switch down here. I've never used this yet to fill up the tires. Haven't checked the tires in about a month, so I'm going to check them. Pull the stuff out here. Don't need this one here. That's just a separate gauge. Picked up a new ARB tire kit a week back. Okay. Plug this into here. This is a power tank hose and a power tank filler and gauge. Flip the switch on. It should run just for a couple seconds. It's building up pressure inside. Now you can hear the fans running. Let's take it up to the front tire. I like to run 40 pounds PSI in these on the street. What are we at here? Looks like about 34. We're down. Now you can probably hear the pump kicking in back there. Now this is not as fast as my power tank. The power tank puts out a lot more pressure. Puts out about 150 to 200 psi. The ARB pump here puts out about 90 to 100 psi. We're about done here. Cool. You can hear the pump shut off back here too. Now if I trigger it again, you'll hear it kick in. There she goes. Stops immediately. That's good, saves on power. Ooh, this tire is now to about the same, 34, 35. That's pretty quick. That's a lot quicker than those small wimpy compressors. I'll do one more tire to show you how this works, then I'll stop the video. Now these tires have only had CO2 in them from the power tank. Whoops, didn't get that on there. There we go. About the same, 34 pounds. This is great because it's going to save on CO2. I'll save the CO2 strictly for the air tools. Well, there you have it, the ARB twin air compressor in action. You can still hear those fans running back there too, keeping the unit cool. All right.